Hi everyone, it's Pascaline. I hope you're all doing superbly. Are you ready for takeoff? Let's pack first. First things first, think about your suitcases. Beautiful, super solid suitcases are wonderful if you only need a bathing suit, a towel and a few pieces of clothing. But if you go to Canada or Alaska or Russia, you might find your suitcase super heavy only after loading sweaters and pants. One thing I have adopted over time is that my carry-on luggage is a backpack. Why? Because it's easy to move with a full bag loaded on your back, leaving there for you two hands free. One for the suitcase and the other one for all the small actions you have to do when in transit. Whenever I can, I also choose to have a 40 or 60 liter backpack as a suitcase and a small backpack as a carry-on. That way I can load the big bag on my back and the small one on my chest, leaving my two hands free for my phone and everything else. Hands-free, very handy. These days we are very fortunate to have the choice of going digital. Can't bring all the documents you might need? Scan them. Textbooks? Get the ebook. Use your digital device as an electronic suitcase to bring all you need and want to have with you. What else could you do? To limit your stuff, you can also think about buying a lot on site. If you are on a limited budget, like I always am, you should first identify what's really essential to you, what you really need. Then check if those things are available where you're going, thanks internet, and only bring those you won't be able to purchase on site. Leave the others behind. Do it. And now? Buy vacuum seal bags. They literally saved my life. Seriously, it's so convenient to squeeze your clothes, but also towels or anything fluffy whose size might be reduced when put in one of those bags. That's a clever invention. Okay. What I tend to do more and more is to put my laptop in one of those bags with pieces of clothing all around to protect it. Traveling with a laptop as a carry-on is such a bother. You recurrently have to open it to show it and put it back. It's annoying. And you know you won't be using it during your flight. So, in the suitcase. I did it several times and my laptop is still running perfectly. You can also do this with fragile devices because the fabric around will protect the item from hits. If you go to a harsh winter place, you might have plenty of heavy things coming with you, like boots, coats, sweaters, pants. My tip here is to wear the heaviest things you have when you travel. Oftentimes you see people traveling wearing sand shoes or flip-flops, but it doesn't make any sense to me. First, you get cold feet, and second, flip-flops are super easy to squeeze in a bag, unlike runners or boots. So wear the heaviest shoes you have when you fly. When you're ready, let's move to the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click on thumb up, share this information with your networks and subscribe for more videos, because that way you learn what to do to optimize your time abroad. So, your turn. What's essential to you? How do you pack? Please write your suggestions, ideas, answers in the comment section below. Let's all help each other to make our travels as enjoyable as possible. I hand it back to you. And dream big, because you're worth it.